Today's project, move this big old truck to the backyard somehow with no power. And by myself. I think I can get it to the edge of the hill here and then just let it ride back there. Then get it lined up, and then I can push it around with a box camper maybe. I don't know, we'll see. That's interesting. It won't go in neutral unless the batteries are hooked up, it looks like. I got it that far. It's pretty good. The thing is so heavy. This is the only thing I've ever bought, only vehicle that I've ever bought new, and it was worth every penny. I actually traded a Toro diesel, a 72-inch cut. They gave me, I think, $2,000 or $3,000 off on buying this new. So I went for it, and it was a really good decision. I haven't had a problem out of this thing. It's been solid. I don't know how many hours I've got on it. Probably just still 150 hours on it. And I've owned it probably 15 years. And man, that thing cuts fast. I tell you, you can't even sit on it going full speed. It'll knock you right off it. All right, so here's the deal, guys. My father-in-law came over, and he has been a bus mechanic or mechanic for many years, and a bus mechanic right before he retired. And he's dealt with these, diesel engines quite a bit. Went over here. He said usually you can get them to start with ether, and we tried some ether in it, spraying in there. It did nothing but just slow the engine down and no firing whatsoever. And we had pretty good speed when it was trying to fire off the ether. Then we noticed where we were spraying the ether in, it's right in between here, that we were getting a lot of blowback. Like, we're getting no exhaust coming out whatsoever So we're getting a lot of blowback coming out of here. And also, when I took this cap off right up here, we were getting a lot of blow-by up here. And I saw in one of the videos, if you see a lot of blow-by coming out of here, that you have got something internally wrong with the engine, which is what I suspected anyway. Let me see if I can get it to come out right now. Sounds like a valve's open or something like that. He wasn't sure about it, but as far as it's making a noise that it shouldn't normally make. Spinning over. Let's give this a shot real quick. That should be enough ether to fire anything up. Alright, so anyway, I don't know if you could catch any of that on the tape or not, or on the film. It's funny I said tape because I happen to be working on a project for somebody right now, recording all of their digital video to, or all their old VCR tapes to digital. Made me say tape. So everything is leaning towards getting rid of this 6.4, very expensive to work on. I may also have sponsorship with a vendor about doing the swap, so that may be in the works. It's hard to tell. Either way, I'm probably going to do it anyway. I got the nice Cummins engine I picked up for a decent price over there. I still don't know the shape of that, but it's out of the truck and ready for me to take it apart. And first thing I'm going to do on that is get a compression check and see what kind of shape the internal part of the engine is. All I know is I'm not going to proceed down this route with this 6.4. It's going by the wayside. And another thing about the 6.4 is the parts are highly sought after. The blocks, you look on carpart.com or any of the junkyards, you can't find a core block anywhere because everybody's rebuilding them. So I'm going to take this opportunity to put mine on the market and see if anybody wants it with the turbos and everything, and use that money to fund the 5.9 Cummins build. And right now I don't see too many drawbacks in doing that, other than this is going to be a lot of work. And it doesn't have to be done today. I still have my other truck, but this is the truck I want to end up with and drive around and everything. So that's just a little update where I'm heading with this. And hopefully if this guy wants the engine out of here, I've got somebody that supposedly wants to come by and look at it today, that I may be yanking it out and giving it to him. Well, selling it to him anyway. Yeah, first thing I want to do is if something, I need to purchase the adapter plate first thing if I want to try to fire this up and just see if it'll fire. And take the old adapter plate off, clean this up. I'll have to get the flex plate that goes on here, and I've already got the starter to go on there. I'll use the same starter from the 6.4 or 6.0. Get some engine mounts. And I need a lot of miscellaneous things on here. I need a oil filter adapter. I need and just a ton of stuff. Have to figure it out. push the boat off on the side over here. Have to come back to that after a while. I gotta get busy on this stuff, man. How am I gonna push that truck over there? That's the question. I don't know how I'm gonna do that. Some kind of a rubber bumper. Oh, a tire. If I could put a tire between me and that truck. And I don't have an old tire, dang it. Shoot. Any other time I'd have a damn old tire. I think I found an old tire. Dang, kicked my glasses off in place. Don't want to end up ruining 2 trucks doing this, but we'll see what I can do. Didn't even know I had this. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, I'll have plenty of room. Oh, I've got the other engine in the way, dang it. Maybe I'll have to move that out of the way before I get started. You could actually. Alright guys, next time you see me, I'm going to be ripping the motor out.
Hey, thanks for watching my channel, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do for future updates. Remember, build it, don't buy it.